Hey guys, Lucas here from Lucas Horrors Gaming and Fun, and today here's another vlog type thing, the vlog thing. Yeah. Anyway, look. Well, now we have had a Christmas tree up for a while, but just haven't got a chance to make a video about it. Looks nice, doesn't it? Well, this is me. Look, it's pretty nice. Huh? We had a really nice Santa thing on the top, but it melted on the inside, so we have to get a star. Which looks nice too, but it's not the same. It's me and my little little baby. Okay, good. I barely remember. I can kind of remember, but not really. Alright, well, hope you guys had a good day. I had a great day. And thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to like the video if you enjoy. And subscribe. And Mom, I know you're watching this. Broke the fourth wall. Okay. Alright, anyway. Look at this giant apple. So big. Okay, let's go outside. There's the goats again. They're still alive. They didn't die from the snow. They thought they would, but they didn't. They're okay. Hello, Storm Starkist. How y'all doing? What's up? What's up? Hello. Gotcha. Haha. Gotcha. Kiss. Haha. Kiss you. Hey, Storm. Guys, do you want kiss? You want kiss? You want kiss? Gotcha. Haha. Kiss you. Hello, chickens. Let's go in there. Alright, well, let's go in the chicken yard. Alright, so, go on in the chicken yard. This. Okay. Goldies. Hello. Hello. No, catch up on me. Alright, let's go see something. Alright, goats, let's go. Me and my sisters, I guess. Hey, guineas. Good morning. I mean, good afternoon. There's the chicken coop. Hey, where are all these chickens? It's cool for the chickens. Look, the goats, I think they like to do stuff with this. I think they kind of like chewing the clothes, I guess. Yeah. Poor thing. They just couldn't take off the pants. They can't, they're not good enough. What y'all looking for, guineas? What you doing? I like orange. I like the white chicken. There's the chicken. Hello, chickens. How are you? I like the little one. Hello, chickens. Why are you in the goat garage? Why are you in the secret hideout? They go to bed in there, but that's just their little hideout. Hello, chicken. Hello, chicken. What do you want? Whoa. Oh, she's sniffing at her. Oh, hello. Good morning. Well, I don't know why she's saying good morning, but whatever. I just think me and my friend do. We'll just say good morning to each other. Even doesn't matter what time of day it is, we'll say good morning. Don't know why. Hey, I just want to take a nice group picture with you. Oh no, she mad. Oh no, she mad. Okay, cool, though. But how are you actually? You good? You like you trying to eat my stuff? Trying to eat it? No, no jumping. You can't eat this. It's plastic and metal and stuff. Alright, so I guess I'm gonna leave them. Alright, bye goats. Wait, we forgot to pick up the eggs. Pick up the eggs. They're excited. No, move. Alright, so we're gonna pick up the eggs now. Let me just. Ow, what you doing? Right in my butt. Ugh. I said don't do that. There we go. Come on, think. There we go. first strap. I don't know, second strap. No, y'all can't come in. No. No. Okay, sorry guys, the straps kind of hard to pull. Stop with your crap. They're rebellious. See, make it hard, but they push your hand into the thing. So how many eggs are chickens lay today? Of course, they only laid one because it's winter. In the winter, chickens don't lay very much. It's a nice egg though, farm fresh. Let's see if I can focus on that. Yep, it's nice. Alright. Move. Alright, let me open this. Move, Godo. No, you're not allowed. Stop. Okay. Okay, Godos. You want to be that way, huh? Okay. Well, since you want to try to eat the hook, then you can't go in. You weren't gonna go in the first place. But now you just can't. See, look. You have to strap this thing. Yeah, I have the wrong one. There we go. Thanks, guineas. Thank you. Thanks for scaring them. What they're doing? Hey, what are you doing? The guineas scared the goats. The guineas do that sometimes. They scare the goats. I don't know why they do. They decide that's funny, but they're guineas. I don't understand. I don't understand what they think is funny because they're birds. Yeah, I don't know where I was going with that, but so now I'm gonna put this up and alright. It's hooked now. See, look, it's hooked. 1, 2. Stop eating my pants. They think it's funny. They just chew on people's pants and their other clothes too. See, look at these poor scarecrow. Alright. Well, I guess we will go back inside and I'll bring the stage inside. So I think I'm gonna end it off here with the very loud guineas and stuff. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and peace out.